Alright, so I'm doing my tutorial on Blender, which is a free 3D software program online, and I'm just going to show you how to add and remove objects and a few hotkeys. Now, with most 3D object software programs, they do have the 3D manipulator tool right here. I don't normally use it when I'm making objects and just doing small things, so I just get rid of it with this button right here. Now, if you want to remove this object, you can just press X and it deletes. X is the delete key. And you just go to add up here, go to mesh, and just add any of the preset objects. So going back to cube. Now, if you want to create your own object, you have to do that in edit mode, because you delete the object, you delete everything, but in edit mode you delete the object, you can delete all the vertices, but this here represents that there is an object still in the program, so that still has to be done. Now to start adding to your own object, you just press Control left click and it will just start making vertices and connecting them together. So you can try and connect those. You would have to do it with a different option. You can't just actually connect it like that because there's just two vertices there and you'd have to fill it in. So let's just get rid of that selection by Control Z and just select them, which would be Shift and Control right click. Just press F. Okay, there we go. And deselect those. Now I'm going to fill in the entire object so it has a face. So let's shift and right click a few of these and fill them in using F. And deselect by right clicking them again with Shift. So fill. And then there we go. Now to deselect and select all, it's the A button. And so if I want to move this object, let's just say in the top right hand corner, just press G when I have them all selected, and then right click if you want to move it back, or left click if you want to make it permanent. Now say you want to extend this a bit, or extrude is what Blender calls it. You just press E and it will extrude it in whichever direction that is currently facing, back or forward. So let's left click that. And there we go. So those are a few hotkeys and how to add and remove objects and create your own.